Alright, for this extra credit here, it's going to be a drawing. You're going to use a ruler to dilate a shape from a point. You actually do 2 dilations. Shape has to be made, has to have at least 8 points that make it up, and neatness and creativity are required. Okay, so I'll show you how you can do it with a ruler. We're not doing it on graph paper. You do have to do it on just on a blank sheet of paper. So you gotta have a point you're gonna dilate from, and then a shape. I'm gonna keep it simple to keep this video shorter. I'm just gonna have the shape be a triangle, but your shape has to have 8 points. Okay, and you got a center of dilation, we call it. So we're gonna expand it out. So let's do a dilation of scale factor 3. You can pick whatever scale factor you want. You do have to do 2 dilations, so basically you're going to have your original shape, you'll have 1 dilation and another dilation, so 2 dilations total. I'm just going to do 1 dilation of a scale factor 3 just to show you how it works. Okay, I'm going to draw a line going from that center of dilation, like a light line that extends outward quite a ways. Always going from that center of dilation through the corners or through the points and just extending it out. So it looks like that. Okay, basically now I got to take this distance here and multiply it by the scale factor. So that is basically 2.7 centimeters. If I times that by 3, looks like it's 8.1. So I'm going to keep my ruler right where it is. So here's 2.7. I'm going to put a point out at 8.1. So all I did was take this distance here and multiply it by 3. And now I have this distance all the way out to there. So it's kind of like this is A, this is A prime. Do that with the other points. This one's going to go quite a ways out because we're talking, that's basically 5. Right here I'm measuring up to that point is 5. So 5 times the scale factor 3. It's going to be way out at 15. So this is like B and B prime. And then this last point is at about 2.4 times 3 is 7.2, I believe. So that C went out to C prime. Okay, if we connect those 3 points, should get a dilated shape. That's the same shape as the original, just dilated by a scale factor 3. Okay, so this was the original shape if I shade it, and this is the dilated. So that's the idea. But just to get extra credit, you got to follow these guidelines. You got to do 2 different dilations of that original shape. Probably just going out from the same center, but that's up to you, I guess. We got to show 2 different dilations. You got to have at least 8 points on the original shape, and neatness and creativity are required. In other words, maybe color it, maybe make it a picture of some sort, but creativity is required to get extra credit. Okay, that's it, guys.